Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey.
And my name is Shante Tracey.
And today we have a very special video for you guys. If you've seen the title, I'm sure you guys know what's coming. You ready, sis?
I'm not ready. Not ready.
Alright, so I've selected a lot of our older pictures, and today you guys are gonna see us react to them. So this might be cringe inducing. But we hope you enjoy the video. So let's start off with the first picture.
Oh yes, look at me.
Look at me.
I'm adorable.
You're right.
I love this. This is probably my favorite picture as a baby.
Catch the kicks them
Me
too.
I kill it.
Kill it.
Me I kill the game. I oof a phone that me didn't even know. Me I mad them.
Yeah, I'm mad them. I say I'm mad them from birth.
Yeah, full white. In my sneakers, I bet them the light up.
How about this one? Oh my god, this was, I think I was in, this was a 6th grade. I think I was in the 6th grade at this time. Really? Or the 5th grade maybe? I was in like primary school. This was primary school at that time. Primary school, yeah.
Yeah, wicked. Where you even get this from?
What's wrong with the picture? What's wrong with the picture? What? Oh, you look.
What? No!
Oh god. Oh, you look.
Oh my god. Why am I look so ball like my head look like a
You look
ball.
round. But your head used to round still. Growing up your head used to round head.
Where's my edges?
This one.
There's no edges.
Asha, nobody.
There's a ball. Next picture. Next picture. Next picture. You look like Duffy.
Me look like Duffy.
You look like Michael.
Michael.
Like Michael.
Oh, look like Michael.
Hey who?
Look at the Michael there.
But you look hip.
Always did hip. Always there kill the game. What you talk about?
No, I ain't say all that, but I like this fit.
Alright, round it, girl. Oh god. Yeah.
I never sign up for it. I never know say me that so embarrassed.
Oh god.
Why would you expose me to the internet like this? You can clearly see him do me something in that picture here. I had enough. And
Asha, you're probably in like the 1st grade at this time. How you can remember everything so vividly?
I remember this, but I never remember what you do me. I know say you do me something. And then mommy took the picture right as me ready for complaint. Like, why?
This picture is so funny.
Why the hell look so? We don't want to look something. Jesus.
Oh god, alright. Photo number 7. Are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Oh god.
This was taken with a webcam.
Yeah.
One time their nose never fit you.
I didn't tell them my nose never fit me.
Look at it look so big.
So you're not big now?
Yeah, but it fit you now, but your head did big them time and the nose. But it's not bad. I remember this picture, guys. I did my makeup. I did that. I did this. This is not a bad picture. I'm not embarrassed.
You know?
How far big and then that? You look like Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Really?
Why you look so frosty? You look like I never want to be there.
I did probably hungry them time, yeah. Like I did up on the stage, you know, graduation. I'm not really like graduation to all of that still. And
oh, you look starving.
I look at me and stuff. Yeah, I look really at me and stuff with you. I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like the picture look better upon the laptop screen as opposed to this, the TV screen.
The saturation turn up, it look like white squall lollipop your mouth.
Jesus Christ! Yo! Oh,
it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. This is my summer 2016 fit. I wanted to look classy. I wanted to... Me not go tutti frutti. I'm just
Alright. Next photo. Okay, yo. Oh.
Why?
Why
it don't look the same as everybody think it look back then?
Me I tell you, back then, but they all look on it now and it's just...
Jesus Christ, they look like drapers. The pants that look like it was iron.
Excuse you? Oh, we look like drapers, yes, sir.
It's just big. Everything just big. It come like they just fling on clothes
Jesus
by you and
Christ.
stay out.
I say you do it.
Just a God of Jesus, I was 2016 this. I could have got a year.
No, this is never 2016. This is like 2013, 2014.
2013?
2013.
Oh my. Fuck off.
Oh God. So this is you with our cousin Alia Ronnie, who you may have known from Real Jamaican Girls.
Lord. I work in a country, but me look like me fresh off on a country bus.
Oh God.
No, I'm embarrassed. I don't like this.
Where you going so far? It not look that bad.
I could do my ear better. My nose say me must convince me to come out of the house, you know. Why? I feel like that was a good idea. I'm glad to fling with them boot there.
Tredo? Oh, come on, slim? It is slim? Let me tell you, slim and you know.
I have nothing bad to say about this.
Yeah. I know I look good. I nobody expect you for
but I never say all that, but I mean, you know, bad.
I know I look good, you know.
Yes,
teeth,
it's really skinny.
Teeth, you know, well, white, smile, bright.
Nose broad. But I mean...
Hey, nobody will go back to that other picture there, no. Asha, how are you there, give you so the duck lips?
Where you get that from?
I keep all the pictures.
What in God's green earth? Why you feel like this was a good idea?
So it's not a good idea?
Tell the people why you do this.
So you know, I just got Photoshop. But now I feel like creative. Jamaican Independence Day was upon us. So I say, you know what? More put the flag colors on my face. I feel like I did a good job. Some people say it did look creepy, but you know, can't please everybody. I don't care what nobody wants. I'm proud of that picture there.
Boy.
Proud Jamaican. What?
But it like it's just a no, man. I'm not good to say about this.
What wrong with it?
It's creepy. It look like Ghetto Green Lantern.
Jesus. So why it have a big Ghetto Green Lantern?
How did I look good?
Oh. Oh.
Listen. The only thing wrong about this picture is my face. I don't know why I'm look so. My hair just cream right here, so my hair did look good. I mean, the fit was. Man, did I do something, man? I got some of that shit up on table. My thing send me that mad it up, honestly.
Any comments?
Well, I mean, I don't know what possessed you to do this.
To do what?
That.
The costume?
I just hope it don't possess you again.
What's wrong with the costume?
I'm kidding. I kid. They could have ironed it though, but. Where you get this?
Oh God! What do you want to ask you about?
Where you get this? But not even a. You can't post this on the internet.
Oh God! Oh God! Asha, what do you want to ask you about the ear? What possess you put on?
I have a piece of story for tell you. I got town in the wig. Them time they like my ear never look good. I just did I start for wear a wig. I say, you know what? Since me ain't look good, me just wear that town. I reach waterfront and the front piece I lift off with me. Like me I fly back with the front piece of my ear. And mommy have to give me a glasses for me hold it down. Two the wig I fly off of my head like it a carry me with it people. Like the breeze was so strong.
Oh,
the whole wig nearly lift off of my head.
Jonas.
And then I take her phone. Mind you, the phone quality never. Me I take picture and kill me dead with the hottest thing alive, you know.
Wait, but when I see them picture there, I said, how possess you?
You have to change Jesus
What
Nazareth.
possess you? What was this? Oh, share my sister. We have to take what else them, one way or another.
I had a chain for me, you know. I had a chain that even the way I had a chain them. This is actually one of my favorite pictures of you.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite pictures. Them too.
Are you edited?
He's a photographer actually.
Real?
Take my picture. Yeah, it's like
That's sick.
she's a really good photographer. She takes some bad picture. We did it all over the place. My fit did sick.
Yeah, my edited picture.
Yeah, man, bad picture.
Finally, thank God. So this is when I locked my hair. I really like this. I bleached my hair and it was like blondish with the black in there, same me. And I was heading abroad, and I really like this photo. And this is the only one me get for pick out. This is the one picture me get for pick out, and it's the first one I like.
Asha, you have any?
Me don't want to hear nothing.
Asha.
This is the first picture I like, and me pick it out. You see how the system just set for me?
Asha.
I was made to be the laughing stock of this video.
Asha. So guys, that's
that was it.
So guys, that concludes our video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share it with your friends.
Don't share it
And-
with nobody. Share.
Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please like it, please share it with, everyone you possibly know. With the comments, well, you don't know the comment things about already. Alright, so big up on yourself, guys, and you want to say nothing, Asha? Anyway, guys, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter if you can. Big up on yourself. We have a lot more videos coming, and thanks for watching. Peace. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.